What does the term PMI stand for in real estate? Private mortgage insurance. What is the primary purpose of an appraisal contingency? To allow the buyer to back out of the contract if the property doesn't appraise for the purchase price. What does the term cap rate refer to in real estate investment? The rate of return on an investment property based on its purchase price. What is the purpose of a home warranty in a real estate transaction? To provide coverage for repairs or replacement of major home systems and appliances. What does the term appreciation mean in real estate? An increase in the value of a property over time. What is a home equity line of credit, HELOC? A loan that allows homeowners to borrow against the equity in their home.